What if I tell you you can be earning stars with your Telegram app? Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you the new Telegram bot which you can use to be earning stars. And when you earn stars on this new Telegram bot, you can use those stars to shop. So in this video, I'm going to show you the new Telegram bot which you can be using right now and be earning some stars for yourself, and also how you can use these stars and shop. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to put you step by step on this new Telegram bot, how you can start using the new Telegram bot on your phone and be earning stars, and also how you can shop with the stars. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am NupeflaverTV. In this channel, I teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you, and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do wait to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you guys how you can get started with this new Telegram bot and be earning some stars for yourself, and how you can also use these stars to shop. Now let's get started. So to get started, when you click on the link in the description of this video, it will take you to my Telegram channel. I'll be leaving down the link to this Telegram bot in my Telegram channel or in the description of this video. So when you tap on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, it says, get your miner, start earning stars, get your first virtual miner and start collecting stars. And the more miner you have, the faster you progress. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on start now, and when you click on start now, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now as you can see, this is just a new account I opened for the purpose of this video, just to show you guys how this works. Now as you can see, it have miners, daily task and shop. As you can see, say get free stars. Then you tap on get free stars. As you can see, say your 1 stars bonus has been awarded. Now you click on close. So right now you have received 1 free star. Now as you can see, when you click on it again, you say your bonus can only be received once every 24 hours. So every 24 hours you'll be clicking on get free stars, and you'll be getting free stars every day. Now when you click on minus here, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, it says rent for 150 day stars. Now as you can see, when you click on start for this first one, you need, as you can see, you need 0.5k MSS to get this first one. When you click on rent, it's going to say you don't have enough stars to rent for these miners, so you need to have stars on your account. When you have 225 stars, you can rent this one and it will start mining for you automatically. Now as you can see, they have different type of package here that you can tap on and to start mining for yourself automatically. Now when you click on daily tasks here, also you are going to see daily tasks that you can be doing and you'll be earning money. Now the first daily task is to copy your partner links and you share with your friends. And when you share it with your friends, when your friends use your link and register, you will be making some percentage. You'll be earning some money for yourself, for your friends to use your invitation link. When they register, you earn some commission. Now as you can see, other task here, when you click on all these tasks, you just click on it, you join, you start this task, and when you followed all this, you also be earning some coin for yourself. As you can see, this first one, you earn 3 tasks, and all you have to do is just to click on start tasks like this. When you click on start tasks, to an interface like this. As you can see, you just click on start and you have joined this one also. Now let's go back to our stars. Now you have successfully performed this first task. That is how you'll be doing all these tasks. You just join. Now we'll go back. You are going to see that your account balance has increased. As you can see, it has increased to 4 tasks. Now when you click on shop also, you are going to see different type of tasks you can shop. Now if you have tasks, this is where you are going to redeem your stars. As you can see, you can use it to buy premium 3-month stars. As you can see in stock, they have stock that you can use all the stars you have to shop. As you can see, they have shop here where you can use your stars to shop. Yes, as you can see, these are all shopping you can do with your stars if you earn a lot of stars. Now let's go back and show you how you can redeem